Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Ultimez Technology YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of blockchain. If you've ever heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum, then you've probably heard of blockchain too. But what is it exactly, and how does it work? In this video, we'll give you a beginner's guide to blockchain, with an example that will blow your mind. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a decentralized and secure way. Instead of having a single entity like a bank or a government control the ledger, blockchain is maintained by a network of computers that work together to validate and record transactions. Each block in the chain contains a record of multiple transactions. These blocks are connected to each other in chronological order, forming a chain of data that's immutable and transparent. Let's break it down for you. Have you ever heard of a puzzle? It's when you fit pieces together to create a bigger picture. Now imagine a puzzle that's so big and complicated that it takes thousands of people working together to solve it. That's kind of what blockchain is like. It's a really big and complicated puzzle made up of lots of little puzzles. Each little puzzle is a piece of information, like a trade or a record, and each time a new piece of information is added, it gets put into the puzzle. But here's the really cool part: once a piece of information is added to the puzzle, it can't be changed. That means everything stays the way it was when it was added, and nobody can cheat or change things later on. So, why is this technology so revolutionary? Well, think about all the industries that rely on middlemen or intermediaries to facilitate transactions: finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and more. By eliminating the need for intermediaries and providing a secure and transparent way to store and exchange data, blockchain can help to reduce fraud, increase accountability, and improve efficiency in these industries and many more. And that's just scratching the surface of what blockchain can do. From smart contracts to decentralized apps, the possibilities are endless. So, if you're interested in the cutting edge of technology, keep an eye on blockchain. It's going to be huge. And that's our beginner's guide to blockchain. We hope this video has helped you to understand the basics of this exciting technology. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.